Good morning, children. After a long time, I'm wishing you, no? Yeah. So, how are you all? All are well, no? Healthy? Being safe? Yeah. Or roaming outside? Not, no? I know. You're all good children, obeying your parents' instructions and sitting in your house itself. No? Okay. Do you have any fear of corona? You're scared of it? Surely, no? But no worries, okay? If we take care, if we sit at our houses without roaming outside, okay, and if we follow all the hygienic rules, instructions, no need of scaring of corona, okay? That will come and go like a fever. Don't worry about that. You be safe at your home, okay? Wash your hands properly with the soap, then use the mask in case if you come out of your house, and have nice food, nutritious food, milk, fruits and all, okay? That is how we can avoid it. We should have resistance. We should be hygienic so that it will get scared of us. We no need of getting scared of corona. Okay? Okay. So here I am to handle you the subject science. Last year I handled you 1 or 2 Hindi lessons. No? Yeah, I didn't teach you any other subject till now. So, let us start our class, okay? See, we all know that all living things, including plants and animals, require food. For what? For our growth. From where we get this food? We know that in all your houses, your mommy prepare the food for you and will serve for you a delicious food. You eat nicely. You will have it nicely. So, we never worry about the food that we take. We never think from where it comes. Right? Yeah. Now, the food what we get, all that we are getting from plants. Even the plants, they require food for their growth. They prepare food for themselves and for others. See, we used to consume the leaves of leaves of plants, then fruits from plants, the stem, the roots, all that in different forms we used to include in our diet. Isn't it? Yeah. All these grains, pulses, vegetables, fruits, everything we get from plants. And how it comes in plants? Plants, by a particular specific process, they prepare food and store that food in various parts of their body, like leaves, roots, stem, fruits, etc. Got it? This is how the food will be stored in that particular parts of the plant. You already studied the various parts of plant in lower classes. No need of explaining about that. Okay. So today what we are going to learn is about, you can see here, I have written the lesson name, Nutrition in Plants. What is the chapter name? Nutrition in Plants. You have already 18 lessons in your textbook, and this is the first one in that. Okay, out of the 18 chapters in your science textbook, The first chapter is nutrition in plants. So let us start with that. Yeah. So before starting that, you know that the plants have green color. They contain a pigment in them that is known as chlorophyll, which are present in a particular structure called chloroplasts. Okay? By using this green color, they can prepare their foods. That is how they prepare their foods. Now let us see how the plants prepare their foods. Okay? The plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. You know, plants absorb water through the roots. Roots are growing into the soil, and that is for absorbing water and holding the plant in position. So plants absorb water from the soil through their roots and transport it to various parts of the plant, like a stem, branches, roots, flowers, everywhere, all other parts of the plant. And in addition to this, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By using this water and carbon dioxide, plants prepare their foods in presence of sunlight. To prepare foods, what we need in our houses? We want fuel, either gas or stove, whatever. We want an energy source, that is fire or electric source, to cook the food and prepare and eat that. So like that. Even plants, they need certain things, okay, to prepare the food. So in the presence of sunlight, they get the energy from the sunlight actually. So in the presence of sunlight, by absorbing water and carbon dioxide, plants prepare their food with the help of a green pigment which is known as chlorophyll. This is how plants prepare their food. So the process by which plants prepare this food is known as photosynthesis. What is the process called? Photosynthesis. The process is called what is that? Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means preparation, manufacturing. Okay. So the process by which plants prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. Got it, children? Okay. Now, to make you understand more about that, let us see a small video. Okay, so that you will get interested in that, you will come to know what it is. Okay, let us see the video. you seen the video? It was very interesting, no? Yeah. Now, let us go to the next part. To perform the photosynthesis, I told you plants require carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll, etc. These are known as the factors. These are known as the factors or requirements for photosynthesis. So let us write that. The factors required for photosynthesis. Factors. What are the factors required? The first one is what? First one is carbon dioxide. First one is what? Carbon dioxide. We can write carbon dioxide as CO2. You should read as carbon dioxide. Okay? Yeah. So from where the plants get this carbon dioxide? Plants absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere and plants absorb this carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. How they absorb this carbon dioxide? The plants have certain structures, pores, holes in their leaf and in all the green parts of their body. And these structures are known as stomata. What is its name? Stomata. So plants have small pores, small structures, very microscopic structures. Okay, we cannot see it, but we can feel it if you touch on the outer surface of the leaf. Okay, they have minute pores in that, and that are known as what? A stomata. Through this stomata, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So let us see how is the stomata. Okay, a stomata consists of two cells. The cells are known as guard cells. What are they called? Guard cells. Two cells with a pore. You can see here a space. Okay, through this space, plants absorb a carbon dioxide. Through this space, see I am shading here. Through this space, plants absorb carbon dioxide into the leaf and use this carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Got it? And the second factor which is required is water. What is that? Water. How the plants get water? Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. You know the roots are growing downwards into the soil. So plants absorb water from the soil through their roots, and the water will rise up through the stem and it reaches all the parts of the plant like leaves, branches, flowers, everywhere it reaches. For this, plants have a tubular structure called vessels. What is their name? Vessels in their body. They have tubular structures starting from the root till the end of the plant. That is till the leaves, roots, stem, branches, everywhere. Okay. And through these channels, water reaches all the parts of the plant. Now, thus plants get water from the soil. Now next one, next factor, that is sunlight. What is that? Plants require what? Sunlight. Plants require sunlight to prepare food. And from where they are getting sunlight? We know sunlight is there everywhere. Okay. So the light that comes from the sun and reaches the earth, that is called what? Sunlight. So plants absorb the sunlight also through the parts, various parts of their body. Then, I already told you, plants have what? Green colored pigment in their body, which is known as what? Chlorophyll. And by using that chlorophyll, sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and water, they absorb from outside, and in the presence of sunlight, with the help of chlorophyll, they prepare food. And the food that they prepare is in the form of starch. What is that? Starch or glucose. Starch or glucose. Thus, the plants, through the process of photosynthesis, they prepared starch or glucose. And they use that for their growth, and the remaining food, whatever is there, they store in various parts like a leaf, stem, fruits, roots, etc. Okay, and these parts we consume as a food. Got it, children? Yeah. Now, can plants prepare only starch? Your mother or father may tell you, or your elders will tell you, see, eat these vegetables, you don't leave the vegetables, and have fruits nicely, so that you will get stamina, that is immunity power. When you leave the vegetable pieces aside while having your food, they say, no, you have to eat that. It's very useful for your body. You cannot live like that. No? So, if it is only starch in that, why we should eat that and all? We can take only rice. No? Or only chapatis or idlis or dosha. Why we should include all these items like vegetables, fruits, all such things in our food? Because in addition to the starch, the plants prepare even proteins. They can prepare even proteins which are present in the diet of animals. We consume that. When we consume these vegetables, fruits, etc., we get protein from that. Okay. How the plants prepare these proteins? Plants prepare proteins from nitrogen. And you know nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, and of course plants cannot absorb this nitrogen. Then how they get this nitrogen? There are some bacteria in the soil which can convert atmospheric nitrogen into useful compounds. How is it possible? There are some bacteria in the soil which can convert atmospheric nitrogen into useful compounds forms. And plants absorb these compounds from the soil. This nitrogenous compound, nitrogen rich compounds, they absorb from the soil and they prepare what? Proteins in their body. And when we consume the plant parts, various parts, we get a protein from that food. Got it? So this is how plants prepare the food. Understood, children? Yeah. So let us see what is photosynthesis. Now I told you this. We want to give a definition for that. Okay. So photosynthesis is a process. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. You have to be very, very careful about the preposition used there. In the presence of chlorophyll with the help of what? With the help of carbon dioxide and water. Plants prepare the food, and this process is known as what? Photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their food by absorbing carbon dioxide and water from the environment, that is from environment or soil. Okay, soil is also our environment. In the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll that is present in the chloroplast of the plants. Got it? So this is how plants prepare their food. Okay. to make you understand this little more clearly in an interesting way. Let us see one more video regarding this, up to this topic. Okay? So children, very enjoyable now, very good video now. So all of you enjoyed very well, I think, and you even understood this topic now. Okay, so this is all today's topic. Let us conclude here and let us continue our class during the next period. Okay. So, thank you. Bye bye.